Hello and welcome back to Inside Crimes. Hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications for more crime stories. We are looking to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Thank you for subscribing. Here is a full video from the Food Grub Truck Madison and Kaylee visited before leaving for their home where they were later killed.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome back.
Yes, I think I would like the carbonara.
Okay.
But if I have like a free grub truck on my app.
Oh, yep. So what you want to do is we'll actually do this.
Cool. Thank you.
Absolutely.
How many more do you need? That's the second one? Awesome. Dawn's mom. Oh, wait. Yeah, one more.
Maybe I didn't have a free one.
It's right here.
And then what was the mac?
Don't forget to remove the
The
spoon.
The
carbonara.
carbonara mac of the week.
Here, I'll grab it for you.
Excellent. And then click see rewards.
Enjoy.
And it looks like you've not quite had enough points yet.
Oh, that's okay. That's good.
$10 for it.
Perfect.
I do have a big burrito pork here for you.
Cool. Thank you.
Order 78. Thank you very much. Where'd the pen go, guys? Where's my pen? How are you guys doing?
How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Seem to have lost my pen, but that's fine. What can I get for you?
Can I get
Just
the
two Dawn's Moms?
cheese mac and cheese, please?
Definitely.
I get
Thank you.
and pork tacos.
Oh yeah. How many pork tacos would you like?
It just comes with one.
It's one, but they're like 6 to 7 ounce tacos. They're not like small little street tacos. I normally eat 2, 3 is a lot for me.
So one would be fine if I was getting pasta too, or
Yeah.
mac and cheese too.
Yeah, that's gonna be
I better
almost 2 pounds of
I
food.
better get two.
Okay, you got it.
I got her.
2 pork tacos? Done. 1 5 cheese, 1 basil pesto, 2 pork tacos, $24.50 for you.
Thank you.
2 Dawn's Moms.
I'll eat them well.
$79.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna do this. Hold on. If we decide,
Yeah.
since we listed.
Oh, people have fallen. People have fallen over reviews for you. Sorry, I'm talking to Twitch stream. Oh, you're so
Thank
good.
you.
Absolutely, thank you. How are you doing?
Pretty good about yourself.
I'm doing extremely well. What sounds good?
Can I get a big burrito?
Yeah. For the big burrito, would you like pork or chicken? Chicken. Got it. And then you said a Mountain Dew?
Yes, please.
Excellent. Big burrito chicken and a Mountain Dew. We're going to do $11. Here's your Mountain Dew and order 80. Thank you very much.
Hello. I need 2 chicken burritos with extra slaw.
2 chicken burritos with extra. $19 for you.
I know I have a $6 waiting for me. Would like to eat it.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
So, I know
Let's see rewards.
Ha 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 ha.
Oh,
There you
fuck, I just hit your jacket. Sorry, man.
go. Yeah.
$13. Hell yeah.
Worth it.
Oh, always. Order 81.
Thank you.
Thank you. Extra slaw? Is that a charge? No, it's not a charge. It's just a modifier. Hello.
They have Apple Pay.
How's
You
your
guys
night
have
going?
Apple Pay, right?
Of course we do.
Of course you have Apple Pay. Yes. Hi, camera. I'll get a chicken taco, please.
Chicken taco. You got it.
I'll do the 5 cheese mac and cheese, please.
Okay.
I know you're freezing.
No, please. No, I'm getting yours no matter what. Like,
Wait, please, he's waiting. We'll do 2 fried cheese mac and cheese.
Like, I'm adding 2, or you're making it? It's now 2.
Oh,
Sorry.
2.
You're adding 2. Excellent. Gotcha. Okay. Anything else?
3? Come on, you're the last one. Okay.
You got it. So I have a chicken taco and 3 5-cheese mac and cheeses. Okay. $27.75.
Hey.
How many apples in the mac of the week? 0, TJ. 0. Order 82. Thank you.
Can I get?
We already got a 5 cheese mac and cheese.
Wait, you got one?
Yeah, come on.
Oh my god. Can I get a Macafire?
You got it, man. One mac and $5, $9 for you.
Perfect, thank you.
Absolutely.
Yes, it's going.
Tough.
Of course. Awesome. Dessert burrito porch ready.
Order 83.
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, and then it's all on you. I was letting go.
Time to start
Feel warm,
the
Joe?
old car. It's been a while since this engine started. Let's see if it starts. Oh great, the battery
My
is
first time
dead.
was when I went to
Well,
the grocery
better luck
store
next
to buy
time.
donuts.
For what?
First time I used, well, NFC. I don't have an Apple device, so it wasn't Apple Pay. I was desperate.
For donuts?
For donuts, yes.
Never used like a phone NFC pay. I guess unless you count the tap on the card.
Wait, say that again?
Never used my phone till at like a store.
Oh, really?
Always had my cards.
Okay. It's because you're too prepared, Derek.
It's because I try not to forget my wallet. It's a good reason.
That's
not
smart,
to
Derek.
forget
It's
your
probably
wallet.
good to not lose your wallet. Guys! Yeah, great ticket times, honestly. Like, Luke, Tebow, really solid. Love it. Very
So
pleased.
Joe, how
All right,
close are we
back
to
in.
you sitting down on Friday nights?
I mean, that was a solid rush. It's a good thing that it ended, but this is Friday and Saturday in a row. I got to down around 1, so I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot, guys.
Guess he's gonna need extra slot a second. This bad boy.
Tebow's thinking to himself, if I start slowing down on Mac, maybe I'll get to sit down. He's gonna try to sabotage me.
I actually was wondering if I was going too slow and you were going to switch me back, and I was really scared of that. That's what I was scared of.
Nope.
Yes, let that fear.
You guys know, like, the highest ticket time I saw was 13 minutes, which is, I'm very satisfied. You guys have worked on the truck, and Derek and I have been the ones on Grill and Mac, and we've had longer ticket times than that. Like, you're doing well.
Really? Okay, pork. I got noodles for you.
Yeah, dude.
Second.
Hell yeah. All right, what'd I miss? Reduce, reuse, lol. Yeah.
Oh, that gets on my nerves. And then, like, they want their numbers to be called so bad.
Are you not doing that movie that's super popular? No. Tomahawks, what's the side for? Hello. How are you doing?
How are you?
I'm doing extremely well. What's on good?
Get the death by garlic and extra into it.
Yeah, definitely. Death by garlic. We'll add chicken to it. Anything else for you?
And then can I do the 5
cheese.
And 5 cheese?
Yes. And can I add chicken to that?
Of course. We're doing death by garlic with chicken, 5 cheese with chicken. Anything else?
That's
Love it. $23. Do you guys have any NFC go Ben? Any whatever sort of payment you have on your phone, we can take. Order 84. Thank you. We do not have the scan one though. So like if you're trying to pay with Cash App and you have to like scan a thing, we don't have any sort of QR crap. How are you doing?
Sorry, good.
No. Good. Excellent. Sorry. What can I get you?
Can I get 2 chicken tacos?
2 chicken tacos. You got it.
What big burrito chicken?
$7.50 if that's everything for you.
Order slide.
Yeah, slide, tap, insert, facing you with a chip, any of it. Order 85. Thank you.
Can I do the big burrito? But I'm going to be really quick on some cheese sauce. Can I get it with that? That's Chipotle slaw.
Yes, you absolutely can. No
Without
slaw.
the onion salsa.
No salsa.
And do you guys have sour cream or no?
We do not.
Okay, that's okay.
Okay.
And that's everything.
Would you like chicken or pork to be the meat though?
Thank you for watching. Do you think the killer could be in this video? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. See you all in my next video. Subscribe.